Time to get up. Time to get up, Isaiah.
No.
Yeah.
No. Not in this.
No, put that down. Good girl.
Le brassé va être flat.
Oh well. It's probably gonna go to bed.
That's it.
Look. Tight.
Look.
He's all by himself. Oh no, he's a little girl with him. Go to sleep, Isaiah.
No.
Why? Because there's a kite?
It's a butterfly.
Yeah. It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
Come on, Barbie. Oh, no. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Ken. You want to go for a ride? Sure, Ken. Jump in. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair on just me everywhere. Imagination. Life is your creation. There's one of the girls that was having a picnic.
It's a girl?
Yep.
Check on him that moves.
Yeah. Now they're smoking. And they're like 13. Milo. Guys. Milo. Guys. You come cries now. She was like this looking at them. Don't look at them. So?
Oh, probably Isabella. It's not good to smoke. Isabella, Isabella, come here, come here.
Melody's gonna get Isabella to go tell them it's not good to smoke.
Hey, Bella, come here. Look, Cindy. Cindy.
Oh, I hear the rain. You hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, I felt it. Oh my gosh.
Ça devrait partir.
It's raining. Oh, there's the kite.
Je vais commencer à faire. I can brush my hair. I can brush my hair.
Wow. And it crashed. It's raining. Just a little bit. Melody's packing up.
I can brush my hair. Everywhere you are.
What? I know.
Good girl.
Oh,
I see it now.
starting to pour.
It's good d'aller. Too smoke, fucking bitch. Tu mets-tu? I can brush my hair everywhere you are.
You can brush my hair. I'm just. Hey, I want a sip. Never mind. Oh, wow. Okay, pick up your garbage. Littering is bad.
Wait,
I'm going green. It's not funny. I'm trying to protect the environment.
Oh, c'est vert! Oh, c'est vert! Oh, c'est vert! Team
Go green, think green.
Team green! Oh, c'est vert! Oh, c'est vert! Oh, c'est janvier? Du coup, le tapis là.
Melody wants to put a pull-up on.
I can brush my hair everywhere you are.
No. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere.
Cigarettes gonna be a conspiracy theory.
Yeah, cigarettes cause cancer. Even though I've never smoked in my life. Yeah. Pretty bad, eh? This is a very random video. Actually, all our videos are random. Amelo.
I give a shuffle, everyone. The hug, Quincy. No.
There's Isaiah. No.
Tu veux un crayon pour que je grave?
You have? No.
Okay.
I said no. Hi, bud. Hey, bud. Hi. Hi, bud.
Hi.
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 Wanna come video with me? Here. Come sit with me.
Hi, take a picture.
No, come sit with me. Come say hi. Come here. I've got the Kool-Aid.
No. Hi, Mom.
Look, Isaiah. Come here. No. Gravy. No. Think green. Don't litter. Hey, what are you doing to him? What's she doing, Isaiah? What'd she do? Aww.
No.
He doesn't want lipstick, he's a boy. Not a girl, eh? You're a boy.
Big boy. No, I'm not allowed to have lipstick.
No, you're not allowed. Because those are for girls.
Hell.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough, Holy. Oh. Yeah, I too. Look at her. Right. Oh.
Check.
Wait, come here. I want to put it on my stuff. Hold on. Gross.
You want chocolate?
Whoa.
It's all broke, but it's good. Look. Awesome. Okay, open. I'll do myself. Bite. Mine? Yeah. My whole thing? You and your brother.
Bella?
Your brother
Yeah.
and son.
Is it all off my face?
Want to? I want
Is your
to.
lipstick all here?
Je vois. Lipstick. No.
Here?
No.
On my lip?
No.
Yeah, there.
Oh, your brother wants some. Take a bite. Take a bite. I'm in the hospital. Wait.
Hi.
I'm in the hospital. Wait, look. Thank you. I am.
Gonna make it really dark.
It's broke.
No.
And that's my hair. Everyone you want.
Give me one. Oh yeah. Give me one.
It's my lip.
Oh, you want to see? You can't see.
J'ai baisé.
You didn't. Let me see.